What's up, my dear traders? How are you doing today? Also, you are with Utum's Trading Academy, and today also we are going to have another session with binary options. Are you ready, my dear traders? Let's go forward to the day trade. Okay, my dear traders, today also as usually in my live account $2,000, and I'm going to invest $500 for the first investment, and I have choose the currency pair USD JPY, and let's push up because let me explain the what is the market strategy, guys. It's a trend, guys. Look at the trend, it's growing up, guys. No, oh shit, holy crap, I thought it's going up, guys. It's increasing, it's growing up. By the way, it's going down because I think it has hit the kind of resistive zone, maybe. Yeah, because there are several resistive zones there. It doesn't matter, guys. Let's change the currency pair $1,000 for $1,000, and let's push no, let's do the second investment, because so far so bad. I'm not going to make this profit, guys. Holy crap, guys. First investment today, I'm going to lose my $500. But don't get panic, we are professional day traders, guys. So I lost my one, by the way, it doesn't matter. Let's push up with $1,000, guys. So far so good. I think yeah, we are going to make this, guys. Yeah, by the way, I need to make this profit, guys. And yeah, look at this. Yeah, so by the way, guys, if you want to become a professional day trader like me, guys, all you have to do a really simple thing: follow my VIP Telegram channel, guys. There it's available, an ocean of extra educational things, my tactics, my analysis, trading, market, online updates, and everything, guys. All the links below in the description, you can find it easily. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more additional educational videos like this, and also hit the like button. And look at my profit, guys. $1,820 profit, guys. So with $500, let's change the market, no, the currency pair, I mean, guys. No, yeah, this one is good one, and let's push down. Follow the trend, guys. Look at the trend, guys, and it went down, went up. It was in the range zone, climax zone, guys, and it's time to push down, guys, climb down. As I explained in my previous videos, when we are climbing up a mountain in the climax zone, like top of the mountain, guys, we are there staying and then climbing down. The same strategy in the market, guys. Here, this is the trend, guys. That's why I'm highly recommending you to follow the trend. Trend is our friend. If you are following trend, guys, you will never lose your money and constantly profiting every day, guys, if you are following trend, guys. This is a really simple thing in trading, guys. So so far so good, guys. Look at this. I'm going to make this one, and also look at this, my profit. Okay, made it $890. Okay, and let's change the currency pair, guys. Let's go and let's push up with this one, guys. AUD to USD currency pair. I think because I have analyzed before I come into the today market, guys. So it's a good one. So that's why I decided to follow the trend, and according to the RS indicator, I can't get anything. I can't analyze the, oh shit, holy crap, again it happened, guys. I'm going to lose this 500. Fuck. Okay, let's change the current investment for $1,000 for the next one. So far so bad, guys. I'm going to lose this $500 also, guys. By the way, don't get panic, we are professional day traders, guys. We have kind of motivation at the end of the day, make our profit. It's not a profit, it should be a really good profit, guys, better profit. Look, I lost my 500, it doesn't matter, and let's push up, guys. with $1,000. Look at this, guys. As a professional day trader, I have kind of limitations about my investment for each trade, guys. So as you saw, guys, I lost my 500, then I doubled my investment for $1,000 because by my experience I know what's going on with the next step. So that's why I doubled it. And at the end of the day, my target is to make a good profit, better one, and the best profit, guys. So yeah, so far so good. It's going well. Let him go. Okay, all right. Doesn't matter. We are making this profit. We are making it. Yeah, sure. For sure, guys. Look at this. For sure, as I told you, look at this $1,930 profit. And let's go with 500 another, and let's change the market and let's follow the trend, guys. Look at this. It should be going down right now, and it should be pushing up then because look at the overbought zone, oversell zone, guys. According to the oversell zone, it should be pushing up in any moment. By the way, right now I pushed down because it is in the oversell zone right now. So that's why I decided to look at this. According to my experience, I did that thing, guys, because I saw that opportunity. Like, guys, it didn't hit the bottom, guys. It didn't hit the bottom, so that's why I decided to push down. And look at the profit, guys, 945, guys. And now right now let's push up, guys. So as I told you, guys, look at this. It hit the bottom, and then it should be growing up right now, guys. So look at this. So in this moment, guys, it's like when you are trading in between the overbought zone and oversell zone. No, every time you are doing like that, when the RSI indicator graphic reaching into the oversell zone or overbought zone, guys, you should be careful with it, guys. So in any moment the market has changing, so that's why you should be careful, and you should find the bottom or find the climax zone. When it change, then you can invest your money pushing up or pushing down, guys. Look at this. By the way, so far so good. It's going good, and I made that one, guys, 945. And for today it's enough. And look at my live account at the end of the day, $4,000, guys. $4,000. I started up with 2,000 and I made the profit 2,000, guys. My day traders, today it was a really profitable day, and today I made $2,000 in 10 minutes, guys. So if you want to become a professional day trader and profitable day trader like me, guys, follow my instructions, follow my tactics, and guys, let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Uttam's Trading Academy. See you and take care, my day traders.